Daddy and Mom? Mama? Daddy?
No. Keep going.
Dad? Mom?
There you go. Good job. Next page.
What's it? Fruit? Flowers?
Flowers.
Grandma Beepy!
Yeah.
Flowers? Grandma Beepy? Dad? That's my mama.
Yeah.
Where's your belly?
Where's my belly?
Yeah. Where's,
Well, at least you don't think I have one anymore.
how about your face right here?
Let's see. Here. Who's in that picture?
Hey, get it in. Hope I right. Carrie, Jason, Carrie, oh, Jason,
Who's that?
Gwen,
Who's that?
Grandma.
That's Mima.
It's Grandma Mama.
Grandma Mima?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Stacy, Mike,
Who's in that picture over there?
Grandma, Nana, Mama, Dad.
Good job. Where are you?
Right in people.
Right in the people?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you think that's why my belly was so big?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.